Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if VLC Media Player appears to be crashing frequently while playing MKV videos. So we're going to go about how to hopefully resolve this without too much of a hassle, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'd suggest would be to open up VLC Media Player if it's not already open. Jump over to the Tools tab, and then you want to select Preferences. Select the Input/Codecs option. Underneath Hardware Acceleration Decoding, you want to just set this to Disabled, and then select Save. Close out of here, and then see if that has resolved the problem. Otherwise, you can uninstall and then reinstall VLC Media Player as well. It might be a corrupted file within the program. You might want to reinstall it, so definitely worth considering that as well. But hopefully by just turning off that hardware acceleration, that should be able to resolve the problem. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.